Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader that goes with it. Has approximately 2,450 hours on it. The loader bucket here looks to be new or just about new. It has the heavy-duty bucket and then the John Deere style hookup for your quick attach. Has the front grill guard. Paint on the tractor is in a really nice shape. Does have the corner post exhaust. Tires are excellent. We also did just service the tractor, so it is freshly serviced. .540 and 540E PTO. Has the rear hydraulic hookup here for your rear remote. Stabilizer bars, telescopic links in your 3-point. Just a very nice clean tractor. Has 67 horsepower. Again, just over 2,400 hours on it. Full suspension seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Have your four-wheel drive engagement here beside the seat, and then your 540/540E selector back here as well. 12-speed transmission. Has the 3 ranges on the short lever, 4 gears on the taller lever, 3-point and hydraulic controls over here to the right, as well as your hand throttle and your PTO engagement switch. Up top you've got radio, climate controls, sun visor. Back down on the floor you have differential lock pedal, foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions, please visit our website at masstractor.com or give us a call. We have approximately 130 to 150 used tractors on our yard. Check our website, masstractor.com, for current inventory.